Checking your outdoor SaveStation at minimum once a month is recommended to ensure the cabinet is clean and the AED is present and ready for rescue. Look closely at the SaveStation for any obvious debris or damage to the cabinet. Ensure nothing has been placed in front of the SaveStation that is blocking quick and easy access to the AED. Using your maintenance card provided, swipe the card over the A in AED on the right side of the cabinet. Once you hear the beep, the alarm has been disabled. With both hands, grab the handles on both sides and pull down to open the cabinet. Open the AED case and remove the optical sensor to check the Ready for Rescue symbol of the AED. Remove the AED from the cabinet. Check that the AED is ready for rescue by confirming its readiness symbol is present. Confirm dates on pads are current and not expired. Check to see the AED response kit is present, attached, and items have not expired. If necessary, use a damp cloth to wipe the inside and outside of the cabinet of any dirt or debris. Place the AED back into the cabinet and reattach the optical sensor. Close the cabinet and wait until you see the 4 OKs displayed on the screen. This can take up to 1 minute. Thank you for doing your part to ensure your life-saving SaveStation is always ready for rescue.